little voice I end up with. The man, the myth, the legend that is Chad Allen. Hi, Chad. Chad is back with us. I always have so much fun with him, and he curates so many wonderful things for us across categories here at HSN. This, I will tell you, let me just say, half off. Half off, half off, half off, half off. This is basically a half off sale, and that is also only as long as supplies last. Now, what's fun about this, we call it a holiday projector because it is holidays. Certainly we're talking Christmas tonight and all day long with HSN's Great Big Christmas. You get 5 Christmas slides, you get 5 Halloween slides, and you get 2 New Year's Eve or New Year's slides. You get the cord, of course, the tripod, the stake as well. And boy, oh boy, no Griswold Christmases here where, you know, somebody's fallen off the ladder and there's adult language involved. We have, I should do it again. Chad, did you like my intro to you, Chad? I mean, this is an outdoor decorative item or an indoor party in a box that I can't even screw up, right?
Right, because you have the stake, which you could stake it into the ground, or you can stake the stake right into the tripod that's included. Hello, Shannon, crazy for Christmas. I am too. And hello, everybody. Welcome to my home. I have utilized the indoors tonight just because it's easier to control the lighting. But you'll see, I'm going to turn that light all the way off here in just a second. But I want to just show you right off the top, I have snowflakes inside of this projector I'm holding. Look at the bottom of my shade. That's me. See the difference? Bottom of that shade, snowflakes, no snowflakes. Snowflakes, no snowflakes. So we're giving you a projector tonight that is going to go season after season with you. The whole time it's snowing, you can have the snowflakes out, but the point is you don't have to get on a ladder like Shannon was pointing out. You don't have to hang any Christmas lights or get all crazy with that. You can plug this in, take it indoors, take it outdoors, even for karaoke. While the video is running, I just want to take down my lights all the way, and then I'm going to show you in just a couple of minutes here how big that wall is behind me, because I think it's a little deceiving. All you need to do is stake it into the ground, Shannon. That is it. And then you are good to go, whether it's Halloween, whether it's Christmas, whether it's New Year's, or just plain snow on the ground. You are good to go. But look, okay, so here we are. I've turned that chandelier all the way off. I'm going to walk backwards, see if you can keep an eye on me. All right, I'm right here, waving my hand. I'm all the way back here. I can jump, and I can't even touch the back of the wall. Look how big Santa's head is. Look how big the Christmas trees are. The snowflakes, the reindeer. I mean, they're gigantic. And I get all the colors of the rainbow. All of a sudden I'm yelling because the camera's so far away and I'm wearing a microphone. But real quick, Shannon, because I want to give it back to you so you can tell everybody how to pick it up. Here's a little trick. Are you ready for this? Yeah, we are giving you all the slides. But if I take the slide out, now I have a karaoke light.
Oh, I love it.
All of a sudden, look. Yeah, look back there. I'm going to step off to the side. Now I have a karaoke light. And the button on top, right there, it allows it to go from fast to slow to even stopping the images and just making them still images. But Shannon, half off is the way I shop. I know it's the way you shop. And girlfriend, this lasts all year round.
It is. It's 12 months of a party in a box, and Lord knows we all need to have a little more fun this year. Hey, I do want you to know, though, this is something we actually featured it in one of our Halloween shows, and certainly Halloween is going to look a lot different this year. So if you really want to entertain your kids, remember the Halloween slides, the Christmas slides, and your New Year's slides are included as well. Hey, Kevin is my producer. Pam is looking for that snowman with the blue coat that we see with Alexandra Baker. It's the one that we aired last week with the countdown. Do you know what I mean? We can find that item number. But here's the other thing, and guys, forgive me, my crew knows they have all these best laid plans, Chad, and then I get out here. But one of the things that I did with your Star Projector, and by the way, I spent the regular price, was I used it to project lights on my Christmas tree when my parents had a new puppy, because they were concerned, and actually, I'm sorry, I screwed up the whole display, but you get the idea. I actually used this to project the lights on the tree so the new puppy would not be chewing on any wires, because no one likes to decorate for the holidays like me, and that way, you know, we still had decorations on the tree, but we didn't have to worry about, you know, wires, fingers, toes, teething, the whole 9 yards. Hey, Chad, I love your karaoke idea, but one thing I'm gonna do live here in the studio is whether I'm in a tight spot or I want to cover a lot of ground. It's entirely up to me, right?
Shannon, you can pull that slide out. Just pull that whole, it's right here on the side. You can just pull that whole thing out, and that's going to give you that karaoke light.
Oh, it's like Studio 4 up in here. Dang.
It's one of my favorite tricks. That is, okay, think of your birthday parties. Think of your holiday gatherings. Think of Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. You're just lighting a cake or a cupcake. You have a perfect party light that you would have spent a lot more money for that was originally your holiday decorations. But Shannon, as you put it, I have a tree in the corner back there. Let me see if I can't light that up a little bit.
Yes, thank you for doing that, because that's just it. If you do have little ones or new pets and puppies that you're training, it was a godsend to me, because you should have seen my face when Mom said, Chad doesn't want you to put lights on the tree this year. We're worried about Hercules. And I'm like, what do you mean, no lights on the tree? I mean, but it is really great for those of us out there. Okay, I'm doing a little karaoke. Okay, did I turn it off?
Yeah, with your microphone.
Okay, where's the microphone? I gotta turn it on. Okay.
Your Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ooh.
When the shark bites with his teeth, dear.
Stings.
I know, right? Something, pearly white, like Chad Allen.
Wait, should we sing a Happy Holidays?
He's a legend. It's half off.
Not like Shannon's a bigger legend. Happy Holidays.
I love it. Oh my gosh, how can you resist? Chad, I have to say though, because I know I told the story, but I spent a lot more money, and this is what, Hercules is what, 3 now? So I spent a lot more money than people are spending tonight. It is a half off sale, $19.95, 4 flexible payments. That is a $4.99 interest-free payments. Of course, our extended holiday return policy, 727-063. And Chad, certainly in a time and a season where we're trying to be safe, we're trying to be smart, this not only makes it easy to decorate that home, but it's a lot safer. Also makes it a little easier for the pizza delivery guy to know which one of my, you know, which is my door in my neighborhood, right?
Right, I'm the person with the decorations, right, all of a sudden. And it's just easy to change between holidays. This is that item, right here's the box, that you see on every end cap every year that is basically sold out by the time Halloween runs around. So HSN has the final quantities, as Shannon just pointed out, but this is the one, this is the real Startastic, the original, the name brand that we've been looking for. But Shannon, I just appreciate this show, Shannon's Crazy for Christmas. Thank you for inviting me on this show, and thank you for sharing such an awesome item with everybody.
Well, you know, I love you, Chad. I know this won't last. Hey, half off, half off, half off. I mean, the original. You are the original, my friend. Thanks for playing tonight.
Bye.
Thanks, Chad. Hey, a lot of you are asking